Okay, I just got out of bed, made myself ready for the day. I'm actually listening to my own recording right now, like a podcast, while making myself ready. I really hope I'll just nail this. But I gotta hurry up because I'm almost late. Never so
dementie. Het is een andere vorm van dementie en die heeft geen amyloïdopstapeling. En dat klopt, want
the lecture is done now and I'm walking to like the student desk to get a student card. This is like a proper travel hack. If you have a student card, bring it with you on your travels, or if you don't have one, or if you have lost one, ask one before you graduate, which I'm doing right now, because with student cards you can get big discounts while traveling. So don't forget your student cards. Got it. I paid €7.50, but I'll save a lot more when I'm traveling. So I'm going to sign up to Couchsurfing. It's like a global community that connects travelers with locals, and locals usually offer like a spare bedroom or a couch to like crash on. And it's a great way to like meet locals, connect, and really immerse yourself into their culture, because they are the locals. They know like the hidden gems and they can tell you more. And it's such a budget-friendly way to travel. I've never done it before. I've heard a lot of stories about it, so might as well give it a try for my next trip, because I need a lot of accommodation places and this would be so helpful. Okay, so let's sign up. Putting in my birthday. You guys can all send me a happy birthday message now. And I am not sure if this works. Cool. I am not a robot. Create account. Okay. Interesting. These are the prices. Might just do what should I do? Okay, I just put in my subscription, like my credit card details, and then I subscribe to the yearly one. Let's go. Oh, cool. Okay, I'm just going to browse through it a little bit. Oh, seriously? You can get verified for €56. And they say for life. But then again, you have a yearly subscription of €15. It's all a bit... I don't really wanna pay €60 right now. Is it worth it? I have no idea. We'll see. Going to my motor lesson right now. I really hope it's going to go well, because next already have my exam. And I'm a bit scared. I just hate having exams, like people watching me. I just black out. So I'm going to ask my teacher if I can do a little bit of vlogging of the lesson. I'm a bit nervous to ask him that because it feels so random, you know. Hey, can I bring my GoPro? Okay, we just arrived at the place where I'll have my motor lesson today. There are some other people, usually we go there, but now I have this road. Look at my head, it's so squeezed. Okay, you just made a few videos of me. I finally got the courage to ask him to take a few videos of me. I really need to work on that. And now we're going back. Oh, my face. Okay, I just arrived at my friend's house and he's going to cook for us. What are you cooking, Jonathan?
I'm cooking a katsudon with half the ingredients already made.
What is it?
So I'm just gonna bake some eggs or fry some eggs.
Yeah.
Do it with rice. I bought sushi rice. And then I'm just gonna use something from the butcher that I got. So really simple, but it's gonna be tasty, hopefully.
We're going to rate it.
Yeah. Het ziet er nog niet mooi uit.
Camera in your face.
Het ziet er zo lelijk uit nog. Het moet nog helemaal mooi gemaakt worden.
He says it's ugly, but I think it looks nice.
Ugly.
Okay. What is this called, Jonathan?
Spring onion.
Putting some spring onion on the dish. Oop. I'm putting some in the sink.
It looks tasty. It's not like very well put on the plate, but it's gonna go in my mouth anyway, so.
Yeah, my tummy's going to like it, regardless. Okay, think it's done now.
Yeah. Wow. Looks good.
Yummy.
You got a couple points, kind of some third place votes and things like that in the past, but these players have just worked so hard.
Going to the supermarket to get some cheesecake ingredients. Jumbo. Got our cheesecake ingredients. Really spontaneous decision to make cheesecake. Okay. Okay.
And there we go.
So. Okay, so Jonathan and I just spent 20 minutes looking at the first vlog I ever made. I haven't published it yet. Maybe I have when I will publish this one. But it's so funny to watch. And now we're going to finish our cheesecake. Look at this. And we're melting our chocolate right now. Are you excited for the cheesecake?
I really am. I'm gonna taste it.
Oh. Er mag je iets achter. Okay, I had one job and it was melting the chocolate. And I think I fucked up. What is this?
Potato mash.
Oh, it's
Mashed
like
potato.
mash. Yeah. Mission failed.
Does it look good or does it look good?
It looks
Tasty.
delicious. It looks like diabetes.
Like a pho?
We have some chocolate on the side. What do you think of the presentation?
Solid, like 4 out of 10.
I'd say this is a 2. Looks like I ate it already and I just spit it out. But this still looks delicious though. Okay. Got our cheesecakes. Did you have a bite already?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait.
So, we still have to give the ratings for the food of today. What would you say the rating for our dinner was?
Taste 7 out of 10, I think. 7.5 out of 10.
Okay.
Presentation could be better.
Do you think so? Okay.
I mean, the katsudon that I've had
Okay.
was better presented, but the taste was kind of close.
Okay.
So taste-wise, 7.5.
Mhm.
Presentation probably 6.
A 6? That's super low.
Yeah.
Well, I would say I was pretty impressed by the presentation as well. So I would give it a solid 8.
Really?
Yeah. But I don't know how
Wow.
like Japanese people make it. Like what's their presentation?
It's
So
just
I would
like
give it
usually
an
in a
8.
smaller bowl, right? So we had a big plate.
Yeah.
Still, it was good. It was fine, but
Okay. I would give it an 8. And then taste. It feels like a high 7, like 7.9 for me.
yeah.
Yeah. So you did pretty well. Okay, and your cheesecake. What do you think? Still need to
You
take
tell me.
a break. Okay. Oh, it's still warm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. I think it's interesting that it's still like warmish. Usually when I eat cheesecake, it's like ice cold.
Yeah.
I think like the taste, like the flavors are really nice,
Mhm.
especially with the cherries on top.
The texture.
The texture, the texture is a bit crumbly. Do you know what I mean?
Do you mean just like it breaks down?
No, it's like crumbly. Crumbly.
Yeah, I mean the bottom is from.
Oh no, I didn't mean the bottom. I just meant like the inside,
even
like the cheesecake's
the cheesecake
crumbly.
itself. Ah, okay, I get what you mean. Yeah,
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
literally like crumbly.
like cottage cheese. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, I think the taste is really nice. I think it's better when it's like cold,
Mm-hmm.
and I think it needs to stiff up a little bit.
Firm up a little bit.
Firm up a little bit. I would, for now,
Mhm.
give it a
Don't hold back.
A 6 point.
Wow, higher than a 6?
Oh.
For the texture, really?
No, for everything. Like the
Okay,
total
for
thing.
the total.
I would
6
say
points.
it's a 6 point. I don't want to be rude.
But
I think it feels like a 6.7. It just needs to firm up overnight.
I'm really hurt right now.
Oh.
No.
Shit. What would you give it?
Yeah, taste-wise, if I could give 2 different ratings
Okay, yeah.
for like one for the taste, probably a 7 because I like the taste.
Oh yeah, I like the taste as well.
Texture and presentation, shut me.
Wait, let me do a close up again.
Yeah, it's not like it's not cheesecake.
It's like you just.
It's
threw
something.
Oh, I had.
It came out of the oven, but that's about it.
Oh my god. Yeah. Mine doesn't look way better though.
But it's okay.
It's okay. Yeah, we're just going to eat
I
it.
like it.
Let it firm up a little bit. Good job. Good job.
Good job. Well done.
Well done. Okay, so Jonathan and I just spent the last 1.5 hours just chilling. He was watching table tennis videos because he's doing table tennis. He's pretty good. And I was buying some gear for my travels. It took me so long, and I ended up buying random stuff. I don't know if I will need it, but from AliExpress, of course, because we're doing budgets.